Well, good afternoon. Hope everybody's having a good Sunday. Yesterday, I busted a box of this for Rookies and Stars. I guess they refer to it as the longevity box, but it's a Target exclusive. And I decided I had a pretty decent box the first time, so why not try it again? So here we are going for box number two of it. See if it's better or worse. This was actually purchased at a different Target than I purchased the one from yesterday. So we'll see. It's fun, it's quick, it's only 6 packs. So it can be highly entertaining, and as well, it's high risk, high reward, or medium risk for the chance of a high reward. So yeah, so I want to say that those are relic packs, and then these are non. So should be all the, maybe an autograph on this side, but so here we go. Pack one: Lamar Jackson, Darius Geis, and here's our auto. Looks like Tristan Hill, and it's definitely a short print auto, 25 of 25. So I don't know how well he is for the Cowboys. I'm not really much for the Cowboys, being a Giants fan and all, but it says defensive tackle. But can't say that I've heard his name, so I'm not sure if he's a starter or what have you. So moving on, we got a Joey Bosa action packed. Have another numbered Amari Cooper, 1 of 99. I think that's 99. No, 1 of 39. Sorry, 1 of 39. See if you can pick that up. Yep, 1 of 39. Miles Boykin, rookie. Ty Johnson, rookie for the Lions. Another Zay Jones, Deshaun Watson, Travis Kelce. So yeah, that Amari, nice little short print. It looks like it's the purple version, purple foil, I guess. So not sure if that's also a longevity exclusive. I'm gonna move that just to set that back a little bit. So yeah, first pack, hit the auto. Pack two, Kenny Galladay. We got a gold, maybe. Aaron Jones, Jared Goff, on another level. And that's James Conner. So no, it's not numbered. That's just Steelers colors. And then we got a 40 of 80. Trayvon Mullen Jr. for the Raiders. Montez Sweat for the Washington. Dexter Williams for the Packers. Dalvin Cook, Jalen Ramsey, Juju Smith-Schuster. Well, I suppose I should sleeve that one before I forget. So far 2 packs in, and we've got 3 numbered cards. The autograph being a super short print. Oh, here we go again. It's not gonna. Halfway mark. Mike Evans. Oh, wow, that's a good one to get too. Ezekiel Elliott. And I don't know if you guys spotted it, but yeah, that's Patrick Mahomes Not numbered though, but it is a Great American Hero Prism card. So at least it's a little bit thicker stock than the normal Rookies and Stars. Although it doesn't have the prism. Well, it's not a prismatic, so I suppose it doesn't have the little prism effect on it. Touchdown Club, Jerry Rice. Precision Passers, Drew Brees. We got a Noah Fant for the Broncos, rookie. Anthony Johnson, rookie for the Buccaneers. And then our last three should be just established players. We get Khalil Mack, Allen Robinson, both for the Bears, and Jameis Winston for the Buccaneers. Pack 4. Not going to get an extra hit in this one, I can see that. Jalen Smith, Patrick Mahomes, Robbie Anderson, J.J. Arcega-Whiteside, rookie rush, insert, or subset, whatever they want to call it. Jamal Adams action packed. Easton Stick, another Buccaneer rookie, Jamel Dean, and Derek Carr, LaShawn McCoy, Devonta Freeman. And this should be one of the 2 relics. Sterling Shepard. Kind of slow roll the other hit too. Got on another level. Le'Veon Bell. And that's all a Photoshop picture there. Star-studded. Patrick Mahomes, another insert. Andy Isabella, rookie. Caleb Wilson, that was interesting. 2 Cardinals. Devontae Adams. Darius Leonard. Xavier Howard. Julio Jones. And our relic, Star Search. It's for the Seahawks. DK Metcalf. Yeah, just a plain relic, nothing fancy there. I guess that's the thing that you always can expect is you're not probably going to get a amazing patch card. Last pack. Do we get an RPA? Probably not, because we got our base auto, but it would be awesome if it was. Does look maybe a little bit thicker, but so we got Precision Passer, Kirk Cousins. Oh, that's numbered to 49. Amani, yeah. Good luck pronouncing that last name. Jeez. Yeah. 5 of 49. So yeah, Amani Oruwari. I guess that's how it might be. DeAndre Baker for the Giants. Miles Sanders for the Eagles. Calvin Ridley. James Conner. Mitchell Trubisky. We got our wonderful kid reporter. And our Derrick Henry. And this is probably a established player. NFL Authentic. Probably James Conner. And it is James Conner. And again, not numbered, but so if you were going to grade that box as far as getting the value out of it for what was paid, I would say probably not. Probably got, if lucky, maybe $20 in value out of that $50 box. But certainly not a lot of numbered cards. So there was the numbered auto. Nice short print to 25. We had the Amani 5 of 49. And that's a true rookie, I guess. Then we had the James Conner NFL Authentic jersey. The DK Metcalf Star Search jersey card. The 40 of 80 Travion Williams rookie. On the next level, Amari Cooper 1 of 39 purple. And then I guess you'd say that what I refer to as the Prism card. It's a Great American Heroes, Patrick Mahomes. And as I say, sadly, it's not a refractor or a prism card. So it's not a shiny one in the sense of. Anyway. So yeah, so again, I can't really complain about the box, but I guess it's kind of what you can expect. I mean, you're not going to get a ton of value out of it, but there is that potential. But anyway, hope everybody has a great rest of their Sunday and weekend and are gearing up for the upcoming holiday this week. But if you like what you saw and are interested in checking out more of my videos, feel free to subscribe. I mean, I do try to break something every week, especially where it seems like every week there's a new release. But anyway, hope you had a great time today and enjoyed what you saw here on Bounty Hunter Breaks, and we'll check back in again. Have a great one. Keep collecting.